Hey, Dave Oliveira here with Rain Networks. Wanted to show you how to install the button today for DataMotion. So I went to https:// ssl.datamotion.com, like shown right there. Once I did that, I logged into my account. Now it's critical, whoever you're trying to set up, that you log into the account you're trying to set up. For example, I logged in with my DavoRainNetworks.com account, and my Outlook is my RainNetworks.com account, right? And I'm actually going to close Outlook for this because when we go and download the console button, which is the plugin button, it's going to want Outlook closed, right? So I went to download here. I downloaded 64-bit because I have 64-bit Office, and then I clicked on download console, and that gets us this file, and then I have ran it. So we'll just go ahead and click on next a couple of times here and install, and we'll let it do its thing. And then we will launch Outlook and we will get an activation. So let's just hit finish here. I'm going to go ahead and launch Outlook here. We should get a prompt here in a second to activate the button. There it is. And I'm just going to choose this guy right here, and I will go ahead and put in my password here. And we'll activate it. Awesome. So now when I click on new here, I will have that send secure button. It's up there on the top left, and I can just send to my personal account and say testing encrypted email. And all we have to do is hit send secure. And that's how we would install the DataMotion button. So that's all I wanted to do for this one. We will see you guys in the next video. Thanks a lot.